Okay, look at ARR 4 is equal to 10. We have written in try block. Try catch. So what happens here? At ARR 4 is equal to 10, exception gets raised. Exception gets raised. So JVM creates object of array index out of bound exception. That object contains details about the exceptions, such as call stack, error message, etc. Then JVM throws that object to our application. And when JVM throws that object, we are handling it. We are handling that. So since we are handling it, our execution will be continued. That is SOP array assign. So array created, array assigned. Array assigned is a proof that our execution here got continued. Now look at the technique of handling exception. First, try catch. I told you try catch is a common technique in all the programming languages for handling the exception. So try and catch. So what you write in try, what you write in catch. In try, you write possible statements which might cause exception. So in try block, you write those statements, possible statements which might cause exceptions. And catch, what do you catch? What does JVM throw? JVM throws array index out of bound exception. So you will catch in array index out of bound exception reference. Array index out of bound exception AE. What is this AE? AE is a reference. What does this reference contain? This reference contains this object. Yeah, this object is created by JVM and JVM throws this object to your application. You collect this object in that reference AE. And now inside catch, what can be written? As such, it is not mandatory to write anything in catch. You can keep catch block empty. But to keep catch block empty is a bad practice. Either you can print that A to string method will be called, or A.print stack trace. Print stack trace method displays the call stack. As I said, suppose exception got raised in a display. So if exception got raised in a display, it will say that in display exception got raised and display was called from display 1 and display 1 was called from main. So print stack trace displays the call stack. In our example, only main function got exception. So in the output, nothing much. It says array index out of bound exception at main. But if your array index comes in display 2, so it will say array index out of bound exception got raised in a display 2, which got called from display 1, which got called from main. Okay. Why it shows that? Because of print stack trace. Yeah. Look at the example. Take your own time.
But just now you told us that we should not use try catch for such.
I was expecting this question.
Yes.
Yeah, very good question. Yeah. No doubt about that. Any time your code, if you show your code, try catch null pointer exception, try catch array index, try catch class exception, people will throw out your code. Yeah, that's true. But here we are learning the flow of exception. What happens when exception gets raised? JVM or code creates the object of that exception class, and JVM or code throws that object to the program where exception got raised. Then that program has to handle that exception. If that program does not handle, to kya hota hai? Execution gets aborted. If that program handles, execution continues. We are learning that technique. We are learning that concept. And another thing is we are learning the syntax of try and catch. Okay? Only for that purpose this. Otherwise, never write any code where you say try catch null pointer array index arithmetic etc. Proper try catch with file not found exception, SQL exceptions will come in further discussion. Clear? This is
And
just for discussion के लिए.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, according to this, like whatever you have shown us, try catch. So in try method, multiple exceptions can come. So multiple catch block we can write.
Yeah, that example is there. Yeah.
Okay.
That example is there. So basically, what to write in try? You write possible statements which might cause exception in try, and catch, as the name indicates, catch is there for catching that object, which other part of the code or JVM throws.
सर लाइक अभी हम लोग ने array 4 में जो एक्सेप्शन आया वो स्किप किया और नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट किया ना कि उसको रिजॉल्व करके 10 ऐड किया.
क्या क्या
तो मतलब अभी ये मतलब सॉल्व करेगा, रिजॉल्व करेगा, स्किप करेगा तो स्टेटमेंट.
नहीं, array 4 will raise the exception. JVM or other part of the code will create the object of array index out of bound exception, and they will throw that object to our code. Our code handles that object, so execution will be continued.
Sir, then that array will be created ना, means the update होगा ना वो array फिर.
Update क्यों होगा हमारा?
फिर array create होगा. Array created है ना वहाँ पे.
हाँ, array created. Yes. This will not be assigned.
Yes.
10 will not be assigned.
तो उसके next part वाला continue कर.
This is wrong. So because of that wrong thing, you will get exception. But since you are handling that, your exception will be continued.
Okay.
So, sir, what if we don't know which type of exception?
नहीं, वो सब उसका सब आंसर आपको मिलेगा. Hold on, थोड़ा रुको. हाँ, अभी तो शुरुआत है. Yes, your question is valid, but documentation. Thanks to documentation. आप जब भी कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन देखते हो तो जो मेथड देखते हो ना तो वहां पे नजर आएगा वहां पे, तो यू कम टू नो. यस, दूसरा तरीका है यू डोंट सी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, यू जस्ट ब्लाइंडली कॉल द मेथड. ठीक है, यू हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, विदाउट डॉक्यूमेंटेशन आई कैन ये, बट सिंस यू आर नॉट सीइंग डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, यू डोंट नो विच एक्सेप्शन टू हैंडल, तो वहां पे आपको कंपाइलर हेल्प करेगा. सो एटलीस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कंपाइलर एरर आएगा, compiler will say you must handle that exception. ठीक है, thank you compiler. Try catch program will get come. तो documentation से देख सकते.
Sir, as it is unchecked exception, तो यहाँ पे हम if लगा के भी solve कर सकते हैं ना इसको.
वही तो चिरंजीवी ने पूछा था ना कि मैंने जस्ट अभी आपको बोला था कि आपका कोड कभी भी ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. ट्राई कैच, नल पॉइंटर, अरिथमेटिक, क्लास का जितने भी अनचेक्ड है कभी भी नहीं. बट हियर वी आर जस्ट लर्निंग द टेक्निक, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कंसेप्ट के लिए मैंने एग्जांपल्स लिए. क्लियर ना?
यस सर.
हाँ, ओके. अभी यहाँ पे एक चीज. हाँ
सर, कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट द AE पार्ट?
हाँ, see here exception gets raised. Which exception? Array index out of. So JVM will create object of array index out of bound exception. In that object, information about exception is there, such as call stack, error message, etc. Then JVM will throw that object to our application. When JVM throws, we have to catch. Correct? तो catch कहाँ पे करोगे? AE में करोगे. AE क्या है? Reference है. आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दे रहा है array index का, तो आप किस में कलेक्ट करोगे? array index के रेफरेंस में कलेक्ट करोगे ना? yes or no?
Yes sir.
So it's like AE reference refers to same object which JVM has created. Correct? And using that AE we call print stack trace. तो print stack trace एक मेथड है जो array index में होना चाहिए. It's there.
Okay sir.
अच्छा, अभी in this example, if I, हाँ बोलो.
Sir, array index out of bounds exception is case sensitive.
Every Java is case sensitive.
Okay sir.
हाँ, यहाँ पे अगर मैं इसको 3 करता हूँ तो what will happen? What do you think?
Exception नहीं आएगा.
तो exception will not be there. Exception will not be there. JVM will not create any object, will not throw anything, and you will not collect anything. So no exception, no catch. control will directly go to array assign. Array created, array assigned. Correct?
Sir, excuse me, I had a problem.
बोलो.
सर प्रिंट स्टैक ट्रेस जो है मतलब सर एरे में यूज एरे को कैच करने के लिए यूज करते हैं या फिर कोई भी एरर को मतलब एक्सेप्शन को कैच करने के लिए यूज करते
हैं? नहीं प्रिंट स्टैक ट्रेस किसी को कैच करने के लिए नहीं है. प्रिंट स्टैक ट्रेस gives you the stack trace, call stack information. Suppose you have a large code, you have 10 methods and one method calls second method calls first method calls second calls third calls fourth, और suppose आपका exception है 10th method में, तो print stack trace क्या करेगा? It will show you that exception has been raised in a display 10, which is called from display 9, which is called from display 8 ऐसे. So it shows the call stack. It displays you the call stack. It doesn't catch anything.
सर एक बार
कैच यहाँ पे
रन करके दिखा सकते हो कि सर इसकी वर्किंग
क्या
इसकी प्रोग्राम की एग्जांपल नंबर 2 की रन हो सकता है?
ये एग्जांपल 2 ना, हाँ रन हो रहा है. ये क्या अभी तो एक्सेप्शन ही आया बिकॉज ARR3 बोला ना मैंने.
यस सर.
ARR4, लेकिन ARR4 में भी क्या होगा मालूम है? अभी एक्सेप्शन कहाँ पे आ रहा है? मेन में आ रहा है. तो बस मेन है. मेन से अगर कोई डिस्प्ले कॉल कर रहे हो, डिस्प्ले में एक्सेप्शन आ रहा है तो वहां पे आएगा. ओके अभी तो सिंपल सा मैसेज है. अभी क्या आया? एट में. हाँ अभी समझो डिस्प्ले 10 में ये एरर होता तो एट डिस्प्ले 2 कॉल्ड फ्रॉम डिस्प्ले 9 कॉल्ड फ्रॉम डिस्प्ले 8 ऐसे. So print stack trace is a very useful method.
Sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, so all these exceptions have their own classes like array index out of bounds exception.
Array index out of bound exception for that null pointer exception. Yeah, we have hierarchy, okay, na? Just now we saw that hierarchy.
So like sir, they are classes created because if there
classes,
is no class, how
classes,
can